Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to inspect a URL. Okay, so we are going to start. I'm gonna show you guys how to inspect a URL on Google Search Console. So we are going to log on Google Search Console. Okay. So I'm right now on my main Google Search Console. Okay, so from here all you're gonna have to do is to go on your left side, you click URL inspection. Okay, you click here. So I'm going to inspect this URL. Okay, you press and you wait. Okay, so this is what we got. This is the result what we got. They say the URL is on Google. Okay, and it's mobile friendly also. That's good. The last time Google crawled this page was on the 27th of October. The page also is mobile friendly. Okay, cloud last time was on the 27th October. Okay, so this is actually how you inspect a URL on your website to find out if the page is in Google or if the page got any error that can affect your website ranking.